Pag naramdaman mong mahal ka ng Diyos, parang gusto mong ibalik yung pagmamahal na yun. So siguro, dahil naramdaman ko yung pagmamahal na yun, parang hindi ko siya kayang i-contain lang sa sarili ko. Gusto ko siyang i-share sa iba. If ever I will see Robert 10 years ago, sabihin ko sa kanya na huwag kang mangamba. Hindi siya madali, pero magtiwala ka lang sa Panginoon. Maraming challenges along the way, a leap of faith. Tiwala ka sa Panginoon talaga ba? Yun naman talaga parang ang hirap gawin yon. It takes courage. It takes a lot of love and faith na tahakin yung itong journey. Pero I am assuring you na walang mawawala. You will not lose anything, but you will only gain everything if you follow the Lord. Once maramdaman mo yung pagmamahal na yun ng Panginoon, a love that cannot be expressed by words. It's very mystical kind of love. The only thing that I can say is this, na that love that I received from the Lord is the very reason why I am here while I'm pursuing the priestly vocation.